My name is Regnier Alexander Guzman Silva, but you can call me Reggie. And I've been working at Inspire for 5 years now. I started doing an internship 2 days a week. My title and role here at Inspire is a senior accountant. I look after 45 clients and I help them all with the preparation of the tax returns individually and for the businesses. I also help providing advice and guide them through the process of growing their businesses and family wealth based on their goals and what they want to achieve in life. I always say that what I like the most about Inspire is the people I work with. Everyone here is super talented, unique, and bring something different to the table. We are a multicultural team, so we get to learn something new each day we spend together, and we're friends working together. So yeah, that's what I like the most. My favorite movie of all time is The Lion King. I remember being a child and experiencing all kinds of emotions when I was watching the movie. Joy, sadness, surprise, excitement. It's a great movie, I believe. Hakuna Matata, everybody.